Jai Hind everybody. So today I am taking some problems from the NCERT textbook, and this is question number 3 of exercise 14.1. And the question is this: you find the value of f if the mean of the following data is 18. So this is the question given. One side is class intervals 11 to 13 and the frequency is 7. 13 to 15 frequency is 6. 15 to 17 frequency is 9. 17 to 19 frequency is 13. 19 to 21 frequency is f. 21 to 23 frequency is 5, and 23 to 25 the frequency is 4. So these two columns belongs to our question, and now we have to draw the extra columns and extra row. So this is my first extra columns drawn, that is of class marks. Class marks, which is denoted by xi, and the next column is fi into xi. Fi into xi, and here we will add one extra row where we will write total. Total here. Now add this column of frequency. So 7 plus 6, 13 plus 9, 22 plus 13, 35 plus 5, 40 plus 4, 44, and plus f. 44 plus f, it will remain 44 plus f. So this is 44 plus f. And what is this? This is sigma f. This is the summation of all the frequencies. Sigma f is 44 plus f. And one more column. What we will write in this column? fi multiplied with xi. Fi and xi. Its total we will write here. Now first thing, what will the class marks of this class interval 11 and 13? So how the class marks is given? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So what is the lower limit? Your lower limit is 11 plus 13 upon 2. That is how much? 24 upon 2. That will become 12. Again this 13 plus 15. 13 plus 15 upon 2. How much? 28 upon 2. It will become 14. Here 15 plus 17 upon 2. 32 upon 2, which is 16. Here 17 plus 19 upon 2. 17 plus 9, 36 upon 2, that is 18. Next one is 19 to 21. So 19 plus 21, that is 40. And 40 upon 2 is 20. Next one is 21 to 23. So 21 plus 23 upon 2, that is 44. 44 upon 2 is 22. And the last row, 23 plus 25 upon 2, that is 48 upon 2, that is how much? 24. So in this way we will calculate these class marks. And now look at the last column, fi xi. What is the fi here? 7, and here is 12. What will happen? 7 into 12. In the next one, 6 into 14. Here 9 into 16. Here 13 into 18. Here f into 20. F multiplied with 20. Here 5 into 22. And here 4 into 24. Is it there? 7 into 12 Fi Xi. 6 into 14, 9 into 16, 13 into 18, F into 20, 5 into 22, 4 into 24. Now multiply them. This one, 12 7 ja 84. Again this is 84. Here 16 9 ja 144. 144. Here 13 into 18. 18 3 ja 54. 18 1 ja 18 and 5 23. Again 18 3 ja 54. 18 1 ja 18 and 5 23. And 20 into F. This will become 20 F. 20 F. Here 5 into 22, that is 110. And here 24 into 4, that is 96. That is 96. Now we will add them. We will add them. So what will happen? Just look here. 4 plus 4 8, 4 12 and 4 16 and 6 22. 22 carries 2, 9 and 2 11 and 11 22, 22 and 23 45, 45 and 15 59, 59 and 8 67, 67 and 8 75. Again total them. 4 4 8 16, 22 2, 9 to 11 12, 3 15, 15 and 4 19, 19 is 35 5. It is 3, 3 and 1 4, 4 to 6 and 1 7. 752 plus, just look here, this 20F is there. So what is the total of this column? 752 plus 20F. And what you have to find in this question? You have to find the value of F. Now we have the formula. The mean is given by. We are using the direct method here. Since mean X bar is given by sigma Fi Xi upon sigma F. Your mean is given how much? 18. Therefore, 18 is equal to, what is sigma Fi Xi? 752 plus 20F or divided by how much? What is there? 44 plus F. 44 plus F. Is it there? 44 plus F. Now just look the calculation. Cross multiplication. This 18 will multiplied here. So 18 in bracket it is 44 plus F is equal to 752 plus 20F. Now multiply them. 18 into 44. 18 into 44 plus 18 into F is equal to 752 plus 20F. 20F. Now multiply them. 18 4 the 72. 18 4 the 72 and 7. This one. 792 plus 18F is equal to 72 plus 20F. Now take the variables one side and the numbers one side. So I am transferring this 752 to here. Here it is plus, it will become minus. So what will happen? 792 minus 752 and I am transferring this 18f to this side. So here remains 20f and minus 18f. Now 792 minus 752. How much? 40. 40 is equal to 20f minus 18f. That is 2 into f. So what will the value of f will be? 40 divided by 2. That is 20. So what is the value of f here? 20. F is equal to 20 is the answer. 20 is the answer. Is it okay? Now this is the next question. That is exercise 14.1 and question number 8. This is not exactly that question, but बिल्कुल उसी की तरह क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन मैंने बनाया है बिल्कुल उसी क्वेश्चन की तरह, विच इज सेम एज एक्सरसाइज 14.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 कि फाइंड द मीन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डाटा. इस डाटा का जो है मीन निकालिए. अगर आपको पहले के क्वेश्चन ध्यान है जो अभी तक जिनका हमने मीन निकाला है, तो जस्ट लुक दियर, जस्ट सी द क्लास साइज और क्लास विड्थ. 13 minus 11, 2 is the class size. Again here is the 2, here is the 2, here is the 2. और जो पहले के क्वेश्चन है उनमें भी हमारा क्लास साइज क्या है? इक्वल है. क्लास साइज इज इक्वल. बट लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन, सी द क्लास साइज. 6 minus 0, here is 6. 10 minus 6, यहाँ पे कुछ और है, 4 है. 12 minus 10, यहाँ पे 2 है. फिर 16 minus 12, यहाँ पे 4 है. In those questions the class size are same, but here the class size is different. So in what way we will find the mean of such problems where the class sizes are different? So this is the question. The first column is class intervals 0 to 6, whose frequency is 6. 6 to 10, frequency is 4. 10 to 12, frequency is 2. 12 to 16, frequency is 3. And 16 to 22, the frequency is 4. Frequency is 4. Is it okay? Now, for this, we will make these two extra columns. In the first, we will write class marks. Class marks, which is given by xi. And in the last column, we will write fi dot xi. This frequency, which is denoted by fi. Fi. Now just see the class marks. Class marks is given by lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So what will happen? 0 plus 6 upon 2. That is 3. 6 plus 10 upon 2. That is 8. 10 plus 12, 22 upon 2. This is 11. 12 and 16. Add them, 28 upon 2. This will become 14. And 16 plus 22, 38 upon 2, which is 19. Which is 19. Is it there? How will you find the class marks? We will add the lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. That is 0 plus 6 upon 2 is 3. 6 plus 10 upon 2 is 16 upon 2, 8. 10 plus 12 is 22 upon 12, 11. 12 plus 16, 28 upon 2, 14. And 16 plus 22, 38 upon 2, 19. And in the last column, we will write fi xi. So just look here. Fi is 6. This is 3. So what will happen? 6 dot 3. Here 4 dot 8. Here 2 dot 11. 3 dot 14. And here 4 dot 19. Just multiply them. Yes, 6 3 ja 18. 4 8 ja 32. 2 into 11 is 22. 14 3 ja 42. 4 19 जा 76. In this way we will calculate this fi xi. What is there? 6 into 3 18, 4 into 8 32, 2 into 11 22, 3 into 14 42, and 4 into 19 76. And then we will create a new row, and here we will write total. We will write here total. In total we will add this frequency column and fi xi column. So what will happen? Total of these frequency will be given by sigma f. 6 and 4 10, 10 and 2 12, and 3 15, and 4 19. How much? 19. And here we will add them. So what we will write here? Sigma fi xi. Just add them. 8 to 10 to 12 to 14 and 6 20, 9 13 15 18. This is how much? 190. 190 it is coming again. 6 and to 8 to 10, 10 and to 12, and 8 20, 7 8 9 4 13, 13 and 2 15, 3 18, and 1 19. 190. And then use the formula of mean. The mean is given by sigma fi xi upon sigma f, that is 190. This is sigma fi xi, and sigma f is 10 12 15 19 upon 19. If you will divide this, so you will get the answer 10. You will get the answer 10. Is it okay? So what is our mean? 10. Now this is next question. Find the mean, mode, and median of the following data. Okay, and this is the question exercise 14.3 question 1. तो क्या करना है आपने इसमें? मीन, मॉड एंड मीडियन निकालना है. ठीक है, ये आपको डाटा गिवन है. क्लास इंटरवल्स आर गिवन 65 to 85. द फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 4. 85 to 105. द फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 5. 105 to 125. The frequency is 13. 125 to 145. The frequency is 20. 145 to 165. The frequency is 14. 165 to 185. The frequency is 8. And 185 to 205. The frequency is 4. तो क्या करना है मैंने इसका? मीन, मॉड एंड मीडियन तीनों निकालने हैं. तो मीन हमने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन किए हैं मीन निकालने के. ठीक है, तो मैं यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट इसका आंसर लिख दे रहा हूँ कि मीन ऑफ दिस डाटा इज 137.06. आप कोई भी मेथड लगाइए, आप उसको कीजिए, तो यू विल गेट द आंसर 137.06. इज इट ओके? नाउ अब बात करते हैं मॉड की. तो एक्चुअली व्हाट इज ए मॉड? डेफिनेशन क्या है मॉड की? कि जो आपको डाटा सबसे ज़्यादा बार दिखाई देता है, यानी ऑब्जर्वेशन हैविंग द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी इज कॉल्ड मॉड. तो अब हम इस टेबल में चलेंगे. ठीक है, ये जो हमारे क्लास इंटरवल्स और फ्रीक्वेंसी वाली डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल है, हम इसको ऑब्जर्व करेंगे एंड वी विल सी द हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी. तो जस्ट लुक हियर, इफ यू विल चेक दिस, तो व्हाट वी आर ऑब्जर्विंग कि 20 इज द हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी. इट मीन्स दिस इज आवर मॉडल क्लास. ये मैंने जो है बॉक्स के अंदर मार्क कर दिया. ये मैंने क्या कर दिया? मॉडल क्लास. और ये 20 हो गई मेरी फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द मॉडल क्लास, विच इज डिनोटेड बाय F1. ये 20 जो है फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द मॉडल क्लास है, विच इज डिनोटेड बाय F1. F0 इससे मॉडल क्लास से पहले वाले क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी, फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द क्लास प्रीसीडिंग द मॉडल क्लास. दिस इज F0. तो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ F0? 13. एंड व्हाट इज दिस F0? F0 इज फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द क्लास preceding the model class. F0, F1. Now look at this F2. What is this F2? This is the frequency of the class सक्सीडिंग द मॉडल क्लास, यानी मॉडल क्लास के बाद वाली जो क्लास है उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या होती है आपकी, डिनोटेड बाय F2. इज इट क्लियर? इनका मीनिंग समझ में आ गया? F0, F1, F2 क्या है? F1 फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द मॉडल क्लास, और मॉडल क्लास कैसे सिलेक्ट करना है? वी विल सी द हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी. तो जो आपकी हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी उसी को पूरे क्लास इंटरवल को हम जो है मॉडल क्लास ले लेंगे, जिसको कि मैंने बॉक्स में दिखाया है. ठीक है, वेयर 125 इज द लोअर लिमिट ऑफ मॉडल क्लास. 125 क्या है? लोअर लिमिट ऑफ मॉडल क्लास. और इसको हम दिखाते हैं स्मॉल एल से. लोअर लिमिट ऑफ द मॉडल क्लास इज डिनोटेड बाय दिस स्मॉल एल. F0 मॉडल क्लास से पहले वाले क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी. F2 मॉडल क्लास से बाद वाले क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी. ओके, तो इस तरीके से हमारे जो हैं ये सिंबल इंटरप्रेटेड हो गए. फॉर्मूला है कि मॉड इज इक्वल टू L प्लस F1 माइनस F0 डिवाइडेड बाई 2F1 माइनस F0 माइनस F2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई H. ये सारे सिंबल मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिए. L क्या है, F0 क्या है, F1 क्या है, F2 क्या है. एक चीज बताया इसमें H. दिस H इज द क्लास साइज. And see the class size always 85 minus 65, this is 20. 105 minus 85, this is again 20. तो यहाँ पे क्लास साइज कितना है? 20. L, the lower limit of the model class. What is the lower limit of the model class? This is 125. What is the value of this? 125. F0, F0 फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द क्लास प्रीसीडिंग द मॉडल क्लास, यानी मॉडल क्लास से पहले वाले क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी F0. हाउ मच इट इज? 13. कितनी है? F0 इज 13. F1 फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द मॉडल क्लास, हाउ मच इट इज? 20. एंड F2 इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द क्लास सक्सीडिंग द मॉडल क्लास, यानी मॉडल क्लास से बाद वाले क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी. हाउ मच इट इज? 14. कितना है ये? 14. नाउ पुट ऑल द वैल्यूज इन दिस फॉर्मूला. नाउ दिस इज मॉड इज इक्वल टू L. व्हाट इज द L? 125 प्लस F1 माइनस F0. F1 इज हाउ मच? 20 माइनस L. 20 minus 13. F1 minus F0. 20 minus 13 divided by 2F1. 2 multiply by 20 minus F0. How much? 13. F0 is how much? 13 minus F2, that is 14. Is it okay? And this is multiplied with H. What is the class size here? 20. कितना है? 20. तो do this calculation. You will get 125. 20 minus 13, that is 7 upon 20 is 40. 40 minus 30. 13. What is remaining here? 13 or multiplied by 20. So what it will become? 125 plus multiply these two. 27 ja 140 upon 13. So what it will become? 125 plus 13 1 ja 13. 1 and 0. 13 7 ja 91 and this one, approximate this one. So what is the value of this? 125 and 1 26. This is 10.76. How much? 10.76. So what it will become? 125 and 10. 135 point. How much it is? 135.76. What should be the answer? 135.76. So what is the mod? 135.76. Now the next thing, median. You find the median of this data. Now this is the table for calculation of median. Okay, how we will find the median of this data? Is it okay? So this is the same question. Class intervals are here and frequencies are here. Is it okay? Now this is my extra column, which is of cumulative frequency, CF, cumulative frequency. What is this cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency of first class intervals, that will remain same as 4. There will be no change. In the next one, 85 to this one, we will add these two, 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 and it will become 9. How much? 9. In the next one, we will add these three, 5 plus 4 plus 13. How much? 4 plus 5 plus 13. How much? 22. In the next one, we will add all these. So 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 20. How much it is? 42. Simply you can add the previous total. And the next one, we will add all these. So what will become this? This 42 and this one. So how much? You can add all these. 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 20 plus 14. You will get 56. And just look here. In the next one, we will add this 8 to all these. So what will become? 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 20 plus 14 and plus 8. And this will become 64. And the last one, we will add this one. So what will happen? How much? 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 20 plus 14 plus 8 and plus 4. Add all these. 9 and 22, 42, 56 and this is 68. Is it okay? Is it okay now? How will you find the cumulative frequency? In the first class interval, this frequency will be remain here. In the second one, we will add these two. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. In the third, what is the cumulative frequency? Sum of all these three, 4 plus 5 plus 13, and similarly in this way. Is it okay? Now add the extra row, the row of total. Total sigma f. This is the frequency column. This is a column of frequency Fi. So this is sigma Fi, which is denoted by n, small n. Add them. This is 68. Now just look at the cumulative frequency column. कैसे आपको पता लगेगा कि your calculation is correct? तो just see this sum of all the frequency and the last cumulative frequency should be remain same. ये दोनों क्या होने चाहिए आपकी चेकिंग के लिए? This should be equal. Which one? The sum of all the frequencies, which is sigma f or n here, okay, and the last cumulative frequency. These two should have the same value. अगर इनकी वैल्यू यहाँ पे सेम नहीं आ रही है, इसका मतलब योर कैलकुलेशन इज इनकरेक्ट. इज इट ओके? अब मीडियन, फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड द मीडियन क्लास. तो फॉर द मीडियन क्लास we will check this n. We will check this n upon 2. n upon 2 is how much? n is 68 upon 2. That is 34. 34. Now we have to check कि where this 34 will fall. यानी किस क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी में ये 34 आएगा, ये आपको चेक करना है कि ये कौन से क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी में आएगा. तो लुक एट 34. इसमें केवल 4 तक आया, इसमें 9 तक आया, यानी 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 किस में है? सेकेंड क्लास इंटरवल में. उसके बाद 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 22 कहाँ तक आ गया आपका? इसमें. किस में? थर्ड क्लास इंटरवल में. और ये जो 34 है वो किस में आएगा? इन इट ना, आफ्टर दिस वन 23, 24, 25, 25. तो दिस 34 विल फॉल इन विच क्लास इंटरवल? दिस वन. This 34 belongs to where? This 34 which is cumulative frequency. This 34 which is the cumulative frequency will belongs to class interval 125 to 145. It means this is our median class. So what is our median class? 125 to 145. Is it okay? What is our median class? 125 to 145. Now come to the formula. The formula of median is given by small l plus n upon 2 minus cf upon f multiplied with h. Multiply with h, where L is the lower limit of the median class. Where is the median class? This one. So what is L here? This one. 125 is the value of small l. F, frequency of the median class. Where is the frequency of the median class? This one. So this is F. This is the frequency of the median class. Is it okay? CF, cumulative frequency of previous class interval. यानी इसके पहले वाले का जो है, यानी preceding the median class. Okay? Preceding the median class, इसका वो कितना होगा cumulative frequency? That is divided by CF. What is CF? Cumulative frequency of the preceding class interval. यानी पहले वाले class interval का cumulative frequency. What is that? This one. This is the cumulative frequency. What is the cumulative frequency? This one. Okay. Next thing, what is left? H is the class size. What is the class size here? 85 minus 65. Same here. What is the class size? 10. Sorry, 20. What are the class size? 20. Okay, class size is 20. Class size is H, which is 20. Which is 20. And sum of all the frequencies, that is sigma f, and that is 68. Which is 68. Now put all the values in this formula. So therefore, the median is given by small l, which is 125 plus n upon 2. What is our n? 68 n upon 2 minus CF. How much is the CF? This 22 divided by F, frequency of this class, that is 20, and multiply with H. What is H? Where is the H? This one, 20. So now solve this. 125 plus 2, 34 minus this, 34 minus this one, 22. 34 minus 22. Is it there? Or this one, 21 ja 20. 21 ja 20. This will become same 1. So how much it is? 125 plus this one, 34 minus 22, 12, and this is 137. So what is the median of this class? That is 137. Is it okay? So in this way we can find the mod and the median of this given question. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.